Hey guys, I just me a sweep up my yard in the evening here. I'm go around the back part around us and find a bird nest. But guess what? You got three little bird inside. Yeah, it is three little bird inside. I don't know where they came from, but them come from somewhere. Sweep, me say me a sweep around here, so me show you. I say me a sweep around here, so see the broom here. So me I sweep around here so and see nest. When I see nest and I say, yo, why not this? When time I went and see three little bird them peep out. You see it? But me I say I can't feed them still because a well baby bird them. I don't know if somebody put them or them drop from out of one tree. Because see one tree you say no. I don't really think it can hold no nest. But I there I pray because I love pray deep as well as what I tell you now. But sometimes you got to pray on the right side. And when you pray on the right side, yeah, you get the right thing. But I'm a beer and me use take it up as well. Me I show you guys. You see it? I'm a beer and me use take it up as well. Look. Three little bird inside. I don't know if you can see it. See it there? The three little bird them inside. But me I tell you say I can't feed them because them too small. And I baby them, but I feel like say them are dead or something. Me I wonder if it's a squits. Or some look like squits nest. But it blow down still. Me not think them look like squits. You see it? But guys, watch it. Me don't know if them come from up here so or something. But just for the sake of anything, I see if I can itch it up in the tree or so. You see it? Because you see squids again? Really don't know if the squids. If the squids won. You see it? But I try my best. I'm not gonna dash it away or something, but I try my best. See it there, guys? I cannot touch them because them say when time you touch a young bird and the mother don't look upon them. You see it? The mother don't look upon them, guys. It really don't look like squid, so. Ooh, see more what me there? Look, guys. I don't know if you not see it. I know what kind of bird it is. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I know what kind of bird them here. See it? I don't know if you not see it good, but I show you inside. See it? And I tell you say, I don't want them dead. You see it? I just a sweep up my yard, I find three little birds. The nest with the right here so. But watch it. Just for the sake, I don't want cat or nothing come eat them. You see it? For the sake of the Almighty, I'm going to put them back up here so give thanks and praise to the Lord. The Lord is Lord. The Lord is good. You see it? Love God and live. Don't mix. Stay far from trouble. When trouble come, you keep on run. Don't stop running. But guys, I'm going to get to it up here so then I'm out. My devil can climb, guys. For real. My devil can climb. But I'm going to try something still. I cannot climb and I don't want to drop. But I'm going to try something. I feel like if I put them right here, so it could have more better off. Because I see one squid come and I say, and I try ball. But if I put it right there, so it's more better off. I'm not going to kill it. I'm not going to do nothing. I'm show you who's part I put it. I want to know if I say I put it the right part or the right place. Look. See it there? Right there, so I drop it. I did there sweep up my yard and I say, I come on and say come sweep. When time I look, I see bird nest right there, so I say, and what that? When time I see so and look down, I see 3 little bird them peep out. I say, wow, I have to video this. Peace out guys. Righteousness is the almighty way. The almighty way is righteousness, love and respect by that.